Hey you guys, welcome to SpiritShack. This is our latest device for ghost hunting. It is the paranormal music box. Here it's quite small, lightweight and compact. It takes one 9-volt battery, it fits in there. Got the on-off power switch. You've got a PIR motion sensor at the front, and when it detects something, you've got a red LED light on the top that comes on, and the motor spins up and starts turning this music box. Yeah, and it plays Swan Lake, so it's a bit creepy. Yeah, we've got a logo on the back. So yeah, let's give it a try. So basically it's got a 110-degree angle, so in every direction. You can use this next to you if you want to. Like if you work in a group, you can put it next to you as long as it's facing away from everybody, or it can just be left in a room on its own. It is quite loud, so yeah, you'll definitely hear it. So yeah, let's give it a try. So whenever you're picking it up and moving it, it's going to be triggering it. Right, so it should be detecting everything in that direction. You can see it from there. Yeah, it stays on for 5 seconds once it's triggered. Alright, looks like something's triggered it already. Like it went off twice. Right, so wait my arm in front of it. Yeah, there is a bit of a delay and then it should come on. Alright, didn't get it. There you go. Yeah, it is quite sensitive as well, so even the ball moving past it or something will trigger it. Yeah, it works in daytime and night time, so it doesn't matter if it's pitch black, it'll still trigger because it sends out infrared light. Anything that breaks those beams will obviously trigger it. It detects up to 8 meters, and you should get a good 4 or 5 hours out of a battery, as long as people aren't walking about it in front of it non-stop. Yeah, so we've been getting a lot of people asking for one of these. So yeah, there you go guys. Yeah, we ain't got that many in stock at the moment, but yeah, if you want one, I'd check it out. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video if you can. Thank you.